Welcome to week 3 of becoming a pianist. So I'm really excited. Week 3, we're taking a little bit of a break from playing the keys. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Jordan, and I'm trying to become an actual pianist. I started out and I skipped over a lot of the fundamentals, and I want to fix that. I want to self-correct, and I want to fix my pinky. So this week we're stepping away from the piano, and this week's lesson was about posture, which for me was, kind of a thing because I'm a tall guy. I'm about 6'1", and I used to break dance. And something they taught us when you're breakdancing is to hunch your back so that when you do the dance moves, you're more like able to roll on your back. But this isn't how to break dance. This is how to play piano. Posture is really important. And as I've played over the years, posture means a lot. And it's the difference between being comfortable, playing from the heart, and things like that. So in the lesson I learned today, it revolved around, keeping your back straight, but not overly straight, right? Like if I stick my chest out, like here, I'm relaxed right now. If I stick my chest out, my back is arched. That's gonna become stressful. For all you chiropractors out there, I know posture is king. But relax the shoulders a little bit. Your knees are supposed to be level with the piano. Mine are a little short, but a little short of level. And just find that comfortable position where you're not like hunched over. And sometimes I catch myself, I will play like this. I'll start doing a little dance. It's not that dramatic, but when you play, you want your posture to remain strong so that your playing is strong. And I think what that does for me is like my best playing is when I play from the heart, and I play from the heart when I'm comfortable. That's why if I'm playing a song, if you notice, I was swaying with my hands. That can be really powerful, and so I don't want to stop doing that. But while I'm practicing here, while I'm learning a song, like I learned this song the other day. Being straight up, I think, is important and crucial. And when you're trying to learn a song, if you're like this, learning the song, it can be quite it's not conducive towards learning. And you just want to make sure your head is just at a good position. And this might sound trivial, but if you sit at the piano for hours on end, it's definitely useful. And that's when I was teaching myself, I would sit at the piano in my college, the college piano room for 7 hours. And I think I taught myself to sit up straight, but if I was there for 7 hours like this, versus you're going to be more comfortable for 7 hours if your body is comfortable. And yeah, that was really the lesson. The lesson was just about, keeping your posture straight, but not too straight to where you're uncomfortable and stressing your body out. But yeah, with your legs, level to the piano again, and kind of like this 90-degree angle situation. That way, when you're using the pedal, your foot is, you're not like out here. Sometimes my pedal will be like in a weird spot like this, and I have to like do this kind of thing. That's really bad posture, but like if it's there, your leg can just sit and tap the pedal. And yeah, that's what I learned this week. Posture and that little song. It was an easy week, not too much, just again, more basic stuff. We're gonna start building into more important and structural practices, which is gonna be fun and difficult. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, and I will see you next week.